How to save pepper seeds for next year. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back and thank you for watching. Okay, so I got this pepper. These are one of the hottest peppers in the world. I have the scorpion pepper, the habanero, and the ghost pepper. So I'm going to show you how you can get pepper seeds for next year. You can save pepper seeds from fresh pepper like this for next year. So I got this batch of peppers from my in-law, and he bought the seedlings and he grew it in the summer. And I got some peppers from him, so I'm going to try save the seeds so that way I can have some seeds for next year so that I can start growing it. I've been looking for it for quite some time now. So this is the peppers. So in this container we have 3 varieties of peppers. We have the scorpion pepper, we have the ghost pepper, and then we have habanero. So my main focus this time is for the scorpion pepper. So I'm going to take the seeds out and I'm going to put it in this tray right here. On one side where you have the S, it's going to be scorpion. And the other side is going to be the other variety of peppers that I've grown before. The one that like I said, that I really want is the scorpion pepper right now. I still have some of the seeds for ghosts. So right now we're going to start and try to take everything out. And then I'll show you how I do it. Since the pepper is very hot, you're going to put on your gloves before you deal with it. So what I'm gonna do is gonna use a knife and just break it open. I'm doing it outside just because it's the intensity of the fumes. I don't want it to stick into the house for long, so I'm doing it outside. So just gonna take one, just gonna break it in the middle like that. I don't want to cut it too deep that I'm gonna cut some of the seeds. So you see that in the middle of it. So these are the seeds that we need. So what we're gonna do is just cut out this middle right here like that, and we'll put that one aside. We're gonna take out the middle over here, just gonna cut and just tap it to get any other extra ones that are in there out. So that is, we have one more over here. So you can see the seeds on this one. So let's do the next one. You can feel the heat from the pepper really coming up. If it was inside, I would have occupied the whole room or the whole area I'm standing right now. But since I'm outside, the wind is blowing, so the wind is taking it away. So I'm not feeling that much of the heat, but it is hot. It is really, really hot. This is one of the hottest peppers in the world. So you want to be careful when you're dealing with it. I wanted to wear a mask. If I was doing it inside, I would have worn a mask just to protect my nose and protect my eyes maybe with some glasses. But since it's outside, the wind is blowing, I'm thinking that it's gonna be safe to do it. So just gonna cut this out. That is good. I have a few more right here. So we're gonna break. So this one already is a lot of seeds. It should give me about maybe at least 20 seeds right in there right now. So I'm just gonna get as much as I can to be on the safe side, because sometimes you might have some seeds that don't germinate. So you want to make sure you have enough backup, just in case some don't germinate. You have enough seeds to grow. That there. So break this last one open. Right there. So what we're gonna do now is just take it and put it on our like that. Just wanna spread it out. When it gets dry, it's gonna come out much easier. Sorry, I'm choking on the intensity. So yeah, when these seeds get dry, you can just squeeze it like that and all the seeds will come up. So I'm not gonna worry about spreading them or separating them right now. So I'm just gonna let it dry like that, and then we're gonna do the other ones on this side, and we should be good to go. So this is a close-up of how the seeds look inside the pepper itself. I just wanted to show you guys when you're taking it out, you just want to make sure you take out the middle that has the seeds. And those are some of the seeds that we got from what we pulled out already. So definitely, if you're trying to save money and also want to get some nice hot peppers, spicy peppers, get the peppers like that and break it open, and you're able to get your seeds from it. You will just want to make sure that the pepper has not been frozen and it's still fresh, so that way it has a high probability of it germinating. If you like the video so far, please smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, this is the pepper after 2 weeks. This is a scorpion pepper after 2 weeks of drying it. It's really dry right now, and it's ready for us to store it. Like I said before, just make sure that if you are opening it up or you're doing anything with it, it's very spicy. Even though it's dry, it still has a lot of that intensity on it. So just make sure that you're doing it far away from anywhere that's gonna get into your eyes or your nose and stuff like that. So to save it, I'm just folding it in this paper towel and putting it in the plastic bag, and then just write the name of the seed that I'm saving and the date it was saved. So that way, in a year or 2 years time, I'm able to look at it and know that, okay, this is the seed that I saved 2 years ago. That way you are able to use the old seeds first, so that way to increase the viability of the seeds that you have. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out. And thank you for watching. Happy growing, everybody.